Modem. A modem is a computer peripheral that allows connecting and communicating with other computers through telephone lines. Ordinary telephone lines cannot carry digital information. A modem changes the digital data from the computer into analog data, a format that can be carried by the telephone lines. Modem again changes the analog signal back into digital data that the computer can understand. This transformation of signals from digital to analog and back again to digital is called modulation demodulation. There are two types of modems: internal modem, modems that are fixed within the computer, and external modem, modems that are connected externally to a computer as other peripherals are connected. Repeater. A repeater is a device that amplifies a signal being transmitted on the network. It is used in long network lines which exceeds the maximum rated distance for a single run. Repeaters can be installed along the way to ensure that data packets reach their destination. Repeaters are of two kinds: amplifier and signal repeater. Amplifier merely amplifies all incoming signals over the network. Signal repeater collects the inbound packets and then retransmits the packets as if it were starting from the source station. Hub. A hub is a hardware device used to connect several computers together. There is another similar term called concentrator. A concentrator is a device that provides a central connection point for cables from workstations, servers, and peripherals. There are two types of hubs: active hubs and passive hubs. Active hubs electrically amplify the signal as it moves from one connected device to another. A passive hub also allows the signals to pass from one computer to another without any change. Switch. A switch is a device that is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called subnets or LAN segments. Segmenting the network into smaller subnets prevents the traffic overloading in a network. LANs that are segmented through switches are called switched LANs. In the case of Ethernet LANs, they are called switched Ethernet LANs. Bridge. A bridge is a device used to connect two local area networks or two segments of the same LAN. Router. A router is a network device that connects multiple networks irrespective of their protocol. Two differences between bridge and the router are: a bridge cannot handle multiple protocols whereas router can handle. A bridge works with MAC address whereas router works with IP address. Gateway. A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. A gateway is actually a node on a network that serves as an entrance to another network. The gateway is the ISP that connects the user to the internet. Gateway often acts as a proxy server and a firewall. Proxy server. A machine that is not actually a server but appears as a server. Firewall. A system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. RJ45. RJ45 is a short term for registered Jack 45. Is an 8-wire connector which is commonly used to connect computers on the LAN, especially Ethernets. Ethernet is a LAN architecture developed by Xerox Corporation along with DEC and Intel. Ethernet uses a bus or star topology and supports data transfer rate up to 10 megabytes per second. Computers that are part of Ethernet have to install a special card called Ethernet card. Wi-Fi card. A Wi-Fi card is either an internal or external LAN adapter with a built-in wireless radio and antenna. The most common Wi-Fi cards are used in desktop computers are PCI Express Wi-Fi cards. Access point. An access point, also called wireless access point, is a hardware device that establishes connections of computing devices on wireless LAN with a fixed wire network.